Hello everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? I hope nag-i-enjoy kayo ngayong summer. By the way, isa ka bang junior high school sa kasalukuyan? Isang grade 10 na curious sa STEM strand? Ikaw ba yung nangangarap na maging engineer or architect balang araw? Choosing STEM strand is an advantage because it offers mathematics and science subjects that are very relevant in college courses such as pre-calculus, basic calculus, and general physics 1 and 2. Or isa ka bang parent or guardian na kasama sa nagpaplano sa future ng anak nyo na magkaroon sila ng work sa field ng medicine? Gusto mo bang maging doctor or nurse ang anak nyo? O kaya naman gusto mo sila sa field ng sciences like maging chemist or biologist. STEM strand offers specialist subject for sciences such as general biology 1 and 2, general chemistry 1 and 2, earth science, DRR, and of course general physics 1 and 2. So I am Ma'am Win, a STEM teacher, willing to guide you on the entry requirements of senior high school STEM strand. So are you ready? Let's start with criteria number 1. Source, Deped Order number 55, series of 2016. Okay, so criteria number 1. Scholastic grades at grade 10 must have a final grade no lower than 85, both in math and science. Let's proceed with criteria number 2. Career examination result. It must have a percentile rank of 86 and above in the STEM subtest. Criteria number 3. So this is the alternative entry requirements. This refers to the write-up of scientific inquiry process, draft experiment, and other such summative assessment. You have to submit this requirement to your preferred school. So everyone, let us all be inspired by Engineer Cantu, my former STEM student, batch 2018. She's now a licensed mining engineer. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Come and join our team. Welcome to STEM Strand. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful and informative. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. God bless everyone.